you can tell by the tag. Where's the tag at?
It's probably on this side because that's actually the inside. It's inside out.
There. It actually tells you how to wash it. Nope, other side. Upside down. Machine wash cold, similar colors inside out, only remove promptly, tumble dry low. Remove promptly. So, is that the first time you're washing this stuff?
Yes.
Is there anything else in there?
But none of the colors bleed on anything out.
They don't bleed during the wash, they bleed during the dry. Only
Not all of this is new stuff. Some of this stuff, like it's still new, but it's
take out everything. Only put the old stuff in there. Wash the new stuff together. Colors like dark colors, light colors, and whites. Okay. I'm gonna be mad if my pants turn blue again.
Not my fault.
I already washed yours.
Oh, okay.